Hello, here's Professor Charles again. So you have to directly target secondary authority if you want to clear out a lot of information fog. In other words, you can't just put something into a search bar and passively let stuff come to you. Instead, it's often best just to go right to it. So here's like the Florida Bar's website, and they have a lot of great secondary authority on here, and like the continuing legal education, and there's forms and other things on here. And there's other websites as well that are free that provide you with secondary authority. Now, if you're using like Westlaw or Lexis, then you want to go to your state. So on the home page, go to states and then Florida or whatever jurisdiction you happen to be in. And then Westlaw and Lexis organize everything according to the type of authority it is. So they put all of the secondary authority here. So if we're looking for a treatise on tort law so we can research false imprisonment, then we would want to come here. Now, Florida jurisprudence, that's an encyclopedia, which you're going to learn about later. That could be very helpful for false imprisonment. In fact, it's probably fantastic. And then there are these treatises down here. Now you can click on all Florida secondary sources, and that will take you to everything that Westlaw has that is secondary authority, and then you can search within this for something on torts or something on false imprisonment. The other thing I love to do is just ask my boss, like, hey, do you know of a good treatise or something? But so anyway, we can search here by tort law and see what there is. So there's all kinds of things. So, there's tort law and construction stuff. That wasn't a very helpful search. We'd have to keep going and look for something just on tort law. So they don't have anything with tort in the actual title. So we'll just have to go with a kind of a more generic, source. So something like this Florida Practice Series would probably have something good for us. Okay, now the same thing on Lexis, just from the home screen, do the same thing, go to state and then Florida, and then go to secondary authority. It's organized just like Westlaw is. And here you have all Florida treatises, guides, and so forth. Here are some top ones that they like to point out. And here we have Florida Torts. We can read what it is. It's something by Matthew Bender, and it kind of goes through and it tells you what it covers. So that could be an excellent source. So Lexis has a better torts treatise, it looks like, right off the bat. Okay, anyway, that's how you target secondary authority. Browse right to it. Instead of just putting something in the search bar and then getting a whole lot of stuff, just go right to it. Okay, see you in the book.